Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get cPanel on Namecheap. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net, if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So go ahead and open up the account section if you haven't already, where you can get started registering for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you have one, just go ahead and log in. So after you log in and set up cPanel, you'll be able to access it, and your dashboard is going to look like this, where you have your file manager, your databases, and so on. And now we can get started. So guys, as you can see right here on the official namecheap.com website, there is an article showing us how we can log in to our cPanel hosting account and get started using cPanel in Namecheap. So basically what we want to do is follow the steps right here. First, you want to open up cPanel, and then you want to go ahead and follow the steps right here to sign into your Namecheap account and select the hosting list menu in the bar on the left. So once you open up hosting list, you'll go ahead and be able to find cPanel right here. So you can see in the button that says go to cPanel. So once you click on go to cPanel, it's going to enable you to open up cPanel, where you can manage it and follow the rest of the steps from right here to install all your necessary plugins that you need regarding cPanel and get started logging into your account. So you have your domains right here. So you have these domains and links that you can try out and use them to log in. So just go ahead and try that out and use your username and password to log into cPanel using the steps right here. If you need any more help, just find this article right here and get started with following the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.